Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take just a couple of seconds and say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all very much. And then to offer any of you guys, if you want to stick around, if you stop by for content, you can stop by anytime, that's fine. But if you get the chance and you're so inclined, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me in the channel out. So what we have here today is a shipment from our friends at White Mountain Knives. So let's get into it. And we will get into it using our little Amazon razor knife. All right, we got some peanuts. All right. So guys, maybe looking at the thumbnail, you guys figured it out. But this is the little DIVO nip. This is the first one I've got. It's the Thai Stonewash S90V. I picked this up from White Mountain Knives. I will leave a link for where this is in my description. And if you use the code Javon10, you can also save 10%. So guys, we got very simple packaging. Look at this little guy. And we've got the little nip. There are 4 versions. This is the titanium with the blue anodization, S90V blade. Got a little flipper tab, super thin hollow ground blade. Got a little flipper tab. Got a finger deployment hole. It's a tiny knife, but guys, fits in the hand really nicely. Right here on the choil, you can see CPM S90V. You've got this nice sculpted titanium handle, blue backspacer, blue anode clip. You've got let's see if this cuts. Very sharp, very thin. That hollow grind is done very nice. This particular one is stonewashed. However, I've got another one coming that's a little bit different. I ordered 2 of these guys, so stay tuned. There will be another unboxing, hopefully tomorrow. But guys, I was really taken by this knife when I saw it at Blade Show 2023. Knew that it was going to be a knife that I'd want in my collection. It's very fidgety. It's very much a secondary carry, or in my case, who always carries a fixed blade. It's also a daily EDC. I can either take it as a primary knife using a slip joint and using my fixed blade, or I could carry it as a 5th pocket knife. Again, it is tiny. This is in a review. We'll do some sizes. when we get through, but that's our Amazon flipper knife. But I love the deep hollow ground blade. Very sharp. I love the liner lock. I love the little flipper tab. See how low profile it is? Kind of pushes straight down. You can push button it, but it seems to like to light switch. But again, for me, pow, pow. And guys, I also ordered, see you got in this backspacer, you got this little area built in for a lanyard. I also have a carbon fiber coming, and I ordered with it an extra hardware kit in black. And not because at the time I was thinking that I'd use it on the purple carbon fiber, but then that made no sense. So when I was looking at another variation to pick up, I went to White Mountain Knives and think this knife may look really cool with black hardware. So anyway, just something that we might try out. We will do a bearing upgrade on this too, on one of them, but not today because it's just an unboxing. And we are unboxing the DIVO knives. Whoops. Yeah, great little knife. I can't wait to hang out with it for a while, talk to you guys more about it, let you know what I think of it, let you know how functional it is. I can already tell you it feels great in the hand. The jimping's done spot on. It's got a nice little swedge here. Nice sharpening choil, which kind of comes into this finger choil. And I love the deployment hole. Just a real winner. So guys, that is the DIVO nip. Hope you found this unboxing entertaining. I don't know if the thumbnail is going to give it away or not, but stay tuned because we got a couple more unboxings coming in. Guys, thank you for checking it out. Thank you for leaving me any comments, any thumbs up, for subscribing. Just communicate with me. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. I look forward to keep bringing you content. And I ask that you only look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.